Now I'm going to show you a feature of ProTracker that allows you to assign tools to individual employees on your job site. These are employees that are not ProTracker users in that they do not have a ProTracker login. What they do have, though, is a QR code attached to an employee badge that they use to scan in and out on the time clock. That code will allow you to assign tools to that person. So here's how it works. From your Tool Tracker main screen, you have a checkout and a check-in feature. Click Checkout. So it's a very similar screen to the other Tool Tracker screen, with the exception of the two added boxes at the top, one that says Employee and the other says Tool. So what this is going to do is it's going to first scan the employee's QR code, and then it's automatically going to switch over looking for a tool code to scan. So let's give it a try. To start, I'll click Assign New. The employee held up his QR code. I scanned it, and it says that it was a successful employee scan. Do you want to scan tools now or start over? I want to scan tools. So now I'll say yes, and I'll point my scanner at the tool's QR code. It says it was successful, and would I like to scan more tools? So yes, this employee is checking out 2 tools. So I'll say scan more tools. So those are the 2 tools. Now I'll say done. So as you can see, we have an employee in the window with a picture of the employee if you've taken a picture of him. And then below that are the 2 tools that have been assigned to that employee. So from my dashboard, I can refresh the screen and I see that person's name in the assigned to. This person has been assigned those 2 tools. So now at the end of the day, he brings the tools back down to the tool room. So let's back out of this, and now we want to check in. So I'll click Check In. At this time, you don't have to scan the employee. You only scan the employee on the checkout. You'll notice the 2 boxes at the top, Employee and Tools, are no longer there because at this point, you don't have to scan the employee's card again. You only scan the employee card on the checkout. So once the tools are brought down to the tool room, me as the tool supervisor, all I have to do is click the Scan button and scan the tool. Now that tool has been removed from that person and placed back onto my tool list. So I'll go ahead and hit the Scan button again and scan that second tool, and I'm done. Let's refresh the dashboard, and it shows that those tools are now checked back to me.